Ari o muthenya umwe tu kuma gikundi kia ambunge kuma Rift Valley giokira ruhonge rwa borithi kuma na uria makoretwo magikia ngono kwirwa ngukumio-ini ngurani cia thirikari na makiria Ateti na arugamĩrĩri anene a makambuni gukirikana maraikio ngono ta imaramari tariki ene. Arunao kwa mwena wa Nyanza ni mokire ambunge ya Rift Valley makiuga muici ndariritwo ringi otiga muici. Thinie wa kiria kironekana tari utho wa kiuteti ndugu ya President Kenyatta na Raila Odinga riu yahota guthingitha ngikorwo Ateti matigutaukwo mworoto wa kurua na ungumania. Nyumba ya Jubilee ikionekana kunyitithania mbara-ini na uteti wa 2022 mwaho wa Ateti kuma Rift Valley riu ugikirira nganja mutafarire ona maumirira ma mbara ino.
Uwezi kwenda kwa nyumba ya mtu saa 6 usiku na kushika mtu ambaye ako tayari yeye mwenyewe akipewa summons akuje kwa police station aandikishe statement na apelekwe kotini. Lakini ile inaonekana idara inataka kufanya sasa, idara ya upelelezi ni kuwapa aibu.
Do they want corruption suspects to be picked by choppers and limousines? Do they want corruption suspects to be picked when they are on holiday? And we are saying please pick them even right in the middle of the night. In fact, the law should be amended that anyone who is a suspect of corruption should not be released on bail.
We will not allow them to amend the Police Act because that will be retrogressive and that will be taking Kenya.
I want to urge the Speaker of the National Assembly to ensure that no committee of parliament is sitting somewhere pretending to be vetting somebody who has been arraigned in court for criminal offences.
Nona gukire ogwo kuri aria meyahurite na rwimbo rwa andu aitu ni maronerwo ica ikuhi mbunge wa Nandi Hills Alfred Ketel na uria utagucagirio ni mwaho wa munini wa President William Ruto akio ithenya riri kuga no nginyagia ciario cararuku.
We should not politicize. Let men and women who have been stealing to go to committee maximum prison. We have EACC, we have DCI, we have all the institutions that have the obligation and the mandate to do investigation. Wafanye pila ukabila na mambo ya ufisadi. There is nobody who steals on behalf of their community.
Naona gutuika muikarigite wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju ni ariga kuga Jubilee ni handite na gutire mundu uranuguna ici cia gukorwo ari ciugo cia kanua ne mutongoria wa Igeca Senate Kipchumba Murkomen na uria omire na cia mwaho wa Ateti kuma Rift Valley kuonerwo na uria ni murata wa gite kia mbere wa munini wa President William Ruto donanetie gutigithiria ona kana gucunga muhera. No kuringana na uria wari gavana wa Kiambu William Kabogo bara ya ungumania ndirongoreirwo ruriri o ruothe na akori aria maranuguna makue mutharaba wao.
Andu matige gwiciria hindi ciothe horo wa ithurano katutangiciria riu ni ciana cigana cirahetukire na itire thukuru no ti hindi ciothe hihi mubango witu riu marenda twicirie tu gutiri kindu kingi 22 no koya gite ogwo niguo marenda twicirie and I think they are crazy. Because this is not what Kenya is all about.
Maya mathiete na mbere kwiyumiria riri kamiti iria ihokirwo gukinyanira mubango wa guthurimwo kwa utonga wa maabitha a thirikari yugite ona aria magwetetwo ngukumio-ini cia Kenya Power na NYS no meguthurimwo na macira magithiaga na mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.